All right, so this question has three distinct problems. They're all somewhat related. Part A. If Gatorade sales are up 8.2% in 2014 to a total of 11.6 million, what were sales in 2013? Okay, so we are comparing 2014 to 2013. And we know that sales are up 8.2%. So if they were our baseline of 100% in 2013 and they're up 8.2%, that would be 108.2. Right? That's half of our proportion. Now on the other side, we got to look at our numbers and say, okay, in 2014 they were 11.6 million. So 2014, 11.6 million, and I need to find my value for 2013. So I cross multiply, and I end up with a value to the nearest tenth of 10.7 million. And make sure you write the word million in there because we chopped it off, right? As long as you're staying consistent, both numbers, top and bottom, if they're both in million, I don't need to put all the zeros in my proportion. You just have to make sure you're consistent. Now, in part B, per capita consumption is up 1.7% in 2014 to 13.3 bottles per person. To the nearest tenth, what was the per capita consumption in 2013? So again, we're dealing with 2014 and 2013. Okay, well, again, we're up 1.7%. So if 2013 is our base at 100%, if we go 1 on 1.7, that gives us 2014. Now, in 2014, it went up to 13.3 bottles. Again, we're trying to find the value for 2013. I cross multiply into the nearest tenth, 13.1 bottles in 2013. Notice I labeled, right? Labels are always important when you're doing these problems. And letter C, overall Gatorade consumption was 7.1 million bottles in 2013, and it increased to 8.2 million bottles in 2014. Quantify this with absolute change. Now, it doesn't really tell you which way you're going, to, from, whatever. So I'm going to assume 2014 is new and 2013 is old. So absolute is new minus old. So 8.2 minus 7.1, that means I have a difference of 1.1 million bottles. So you could say there was an increase from 2013 to 2014 of 1.1 million bottles in terms of overall Gatorade consumption, right? Make sure when you're talking about your answer that you're giving details and you're using descriptive words so that we all know what we're talking about.